Verizon WiFi Extender CE1000A step-by-step setup. I'm going to tell you how to set up the Verizon Wi-Fi Extender CE1000A. First, plug it into a spot halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Wait for the LED to blink white. Press the WPS button on your Fios router. Then press the pair button on the extender. The light should turn solid once connected. If WPS doesn't work, just connect it directly to the router using the Ethernet cable. The extender will automatically match your Wi-Fi name. No need to set up a new network. Use the My Fios app to confirm it's connected and check signal strength. That's it. Your Wi-Fi is now extended.